I'm just going to show you briefly how to upload your videos into YouTube. Now, I would assume that all of you are using your phones, and on your phones you have already downloaded the YouTube app to your phone, whether you have an Android or whatever, or iPhone. All right, so first thing you want to do is click on the icon where your name is, and then go to Switch Account and add an account, and I have named this account IS for International Studies Biology 2024 at gmail.com, and the password is spring, capital S, spring 2024. Okay, now once you have recorded a video on your phone, then you go in here and you click on the plus button and make sure you're logged in to the biology YouTube. Hit the plus button, and it's going to show you like all the videos that you have in your phone. And click on the one that you're trying to upload, and it's going to show you the video. And you hit next. It's going to ask you if you want to make it into a short, but don't turn it into a short. You'll hit the next button. And now it's going to ask you for some details. And here you would add the description, create a title, if you the name of the lesson that you're teaching or whatever, add a description maybe about that lesson, make it public, add the location. You can either be very specific or just the country you're in, and that's basically it for that. And then you hit next, and then make sure that it's good for kids. There's no age restriction. You hit upload video. Okay. And now after you have, so that's what you do on your phone. Now later, if you want to go to your laptop and take a look later, um, so here I'm gonna log in the same way I did on my laptop, add an account, and I said IS biology at 2024 at gmail.com, and it's spring 2024, capital S. All right, and now if I go to, now if I go up here to view my channel, you'll see the videos that have been uploaded. Sorry. See the videos that have been uploaded. And if I want to go in here and edit one, I'm sorry. Actually, no, now you have to do this. On the left-hand side, you scroll down to YouTube Studio. Okay. All right, so now I'm looking at this video, and actually I want to, oh, come on. channel. All right.
And then this.
Let's see. Sorry. Hold on one second. I need to go to the YouTube studio. And go to my dashboard. I guess this is my dashboard. Content. There we go. Sorry. Go to content. All right, now click on option and you can edit. You can also edit the details. Sorry. Yeah, now. So for example, we want to make this down here. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something? No. Alters footage, generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur? No. Okay. And down here, video language, you could either, I'm assuming that it's going to be mainly in English. Oh, here. It just takes a second, I guess. There we go. So I can choose English, United States, title and description language, English, United States. This content has never aired on television in the U.S. Okay. You can specifically state the location and the recording date. And then this part, for this class, change it to from the standard YouTube license to the Creative Commons attribution. All right, and that's for learning purposes. And that is basically it. You don't have to change these things while you're out, but I'm going to be going in and probably changing these for you if you need me to, and then save. Okay, and that is it. That's the basics of uploading from your phone and then later changing it on your laptop if you need to. All right, thank you very much.